Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel The Golden Platter. Today we'll be making a very delicious and super amazing recipe of crispy fried chicken. The ingredients required for this recipe are 2 cups of buttermilk, 4 cups of refined flour or maida, 4 whole eggs, 1 small chicken approximately 800-850 grams which is cut into small pieces, and various spices which have been divided into 2 parts to be added in maida and eggs, which are onion powder, garlic powder, salt, red chili powder, degi mirch and black pepper powder. And we also require hot sauce. You can choose any hot sauce of your liking. So the first step in fried chicken is marinating the chicken. So we'll take the chicken and season it with some salt. Then we'll add the buttermilk into it. It should coat the chicken nicely. And 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. We'll just give it a good mix and we'll keep it for at least 2 to 4 hours so that the chicken is marinated very nicely. So I've already marinated the chicken and kept it for around 6 to 8 hours, and we'll be continuing the recipe with it. But before that, we'll season the flour and the eggs. We'll season the flour first. I've taken 2 teaspoons of every spice that I'll be adding in this mixture, which was onion powder, garlic powder, salt to taste, red chili powder, degi mirch and black pepper powder. If you want to increase the level of spiciness, then you can feel free to add more spices into it. We'll just give it a good mix so that all the spices are mixed nicely in the maida. And the same thing we'll be doing with the egg mixture. Just keep it aside. And I've taken half the quantity which I've added in maida. That is 1 teaspoon of each and every spice that goes into the egg mixture. And I like my food to be a bit of spicy, so I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of hot sauce as well. And we'll whisk the eggs nicely. The first step in making fried chicken is coating the chicken in flour mixture. For that, we'll take out the chicken and we'll put it in the maida mixture and we'll coat it nicely with maida. You might have to dirty your hands in this process, but that's okay. It's a fun thing to do, and we'll do this with all the pieces of chicken like so. Coat it nicely and take it out on the plate. So now you can see we have coated the chicken pieces in maida, and it's time for the second coating, which is eggs and maida again. So what we're going to do is pick a piece of chicken and dip it in egg mixture and transfer this piece into the maida mixture. We'll coat it nicely again. So this double coating will give an extra crispy flavor and texture to the chicken. So make sure you coat the chicken piece nicely with maida and then transfer it to a plate. We can dust off the excess maida, and we'll do this with the remaining pieces of chicken. And again transfer it to the plate. Now you all can see our chicken pieces have been coated very nicely with the egg and flour mixture. The double coating is done, and now it's the time to double fry them. Now we'll fry the chicken in medium oil and Don't put too many pieces at once. They'll not be fried properly. And we'll be double frying them. Once the pieces are half done, we'll take them out and put the batch again into it. I'm almost done with first frying of my chicken and ready for double frying. Why we double fry is because it gives extra crispy texture to the chicken and makes it look and taste very, very delicious. Now all set for double frying. That's the second time we are frying the chicken. Just take a look, our crispy fried chicken is ready to eat and I really can't wait to eat it. So do try this recipe at home and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.